Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
I would like to thank Global Spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skill. I'm Mr.Ghulam. I'm learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today, I'm going to give a speech on expression. Let me start my speech with some beautiful lines. An educated person is one who has learned that information almost always knows how to read. At best incomplete and very often false, misleading, misleading, mentally just straight wrong. एक शिक्षित व्यक्ति वो है जिसने जान लिया कि सूचना लगभग हमेशा भटकाने वाली है. The aim of education is the knowledge not of fact but of values. शिक्षा का उद्देश्य तथ्यों का नहीं बल्कि मूल्यों का ज्ञान है. Better education is a very necessary for all to go ahead in the life and yet succeed. It develops confidence and helps personality of person. School education plays a great role in everyone's life. The whole of education has been divided into three divisions, such as the primary education, secondary education, and higher secondary education. All the divisions of education have their own importance and benefits. Primary education prepares the base which helps throughout the life. Secondary education prepares the board for further study. And higher secondary education prepares the ultimate part of the future and whole life. Our good or bad education decides which type of person. Let me end my talk with the quote of Gandhiji. Education is the best friend and educated person is respected everywhere. एजुकेशन बेस्ट ब्यूटी एंड यूथ. शिक्षा सबसे अच्छी दोस्त है. शिक्षित व्यक्ति का हर जगह सम्मान होता है. शिक्षा सुंदरता और यौवन को मात दे सकती है. आई कैन कंक्लूड माय स्पीच थैंकिंग यू ऑल फॉर लिसनिंग टू मी पेशेंटली. थैंक यू सो मच एंड हैव अ गुड डे.
सलाम बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता. अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है. तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,